Recent new ideas about the essential configuration of cosmology, or the heavens as we are to know them, or not know them as it were, brings new perspectives because we have new equipment. The amazing Nikon P900 and now P1000 have opened stunning stellar vistas like never captured before. And largely this makes no sense. These color images could have been captured 100 years ago with so-called modern telescopes. Recent research reveals that images from our most famed telescope systems are very, very poor. Further, why has no one ever taken a telescope, an official public observatory, whatever it might be, or something of power, like Mount Palomar, and why have they not simply taken pictures of a star? And if not, in fact, recorded it in video? Why not indeed? Why are we given these pathetic pictures, artist illustrations clearly, with repeated stars pasted in again and again, looking exactly the same? Why are we given this? It is unbelievable what stars are actually like. In the last 100 years, we have not been shown a single picture of an actual star, yet we get paintings galore. Conventional astronomers will tell you that you cannot zoom in on a star. It's so far away, it's a point light, and it will not get bigger in the frame. Yet, it clearly does. We are told that these new images from the Nikons are out of focus. Well, if this was out of focus, it would look like this, a fuzzy ball. Yet there is definition in this image. What we are going to look at next are actual stars photographed by actual cameras, by actual people in recent days. These are the most excellent images of stars. Clearly they were taken from a high mountain, perhaps, or clear desert skies. But the blurriness that we do see can be either atmospheric interference of dust particles, water vapor, whatever, or actual mechanical discrepancies within the camera structure itself, where perfect focus is not perfect focus. And focus after 30 feet is largely at infinity. So there is no question. These are stars. You can see them flicker, but the imagery is never before seen, largely, by the public. We are going to slow down that flickering. That video is now playing back at 1% speed, and each image is different than every other image prior or every other image after. They are each and every one of them totally unique. So these stars flickering away at hundreds of times a second never repeat themselves. Now that is a miracle. But look deeply and pause if you wish. You will see no duplication. Each image, each moment, perfectly random, perfectly unique, and that only comes from God.